Hola, welcome to Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Today I am visiting Fantasy Island. I've got a few listings over here and I have got 5 lots of land available for sale. They are all quarter acres and they are situated in Nuku Circle. So it's beautiful land, quarter acres, absolute canal front. Let's walk on the other side. So there's 5 units available. Look at the view. It's beautiful, blue mountains, and you're just a short walking distance to a private beach. So residents on Fantasy Island can access this beach for their leisure activities. And the good thing about having a property on Fantasy Island is you are only a good 10 to 12 minutes drive away from Nandi International Airport, about 10 minutes drive away from Port Denera, where you have got some really nice resorts, golf course, restaurants, and a lot of other activities that you can do and engage. Now, Fantasy Island is an upcoming development, and anyone who is looking to build a property here on a quarter acre block, absolute canal front, land available for sale at the moment. We have got 5 lots. So what you are seeing here on this lot, you have got 4 quarter acre blocks available. They're all separate titles, so there is no hiccup on anything. So you are able to build your dream house. You can design the type of property you want. We can help you out as well from our work to recommend you some builders, some architects, and also some help with the getting the land settled as well. So this is available at the moment with us. Call us on, you can call me directly on my number, which is 00679 8636315. My name is Ravina, and we have 5 lots, 5 quarter acre lot available on Fantasy Island. You can build your island home, your dream home here, absolute waterfront. Thank you for watching.